Hi, my name is Charlie Hagstam. We are now here in Autopromotec and we were launching our new AV tongue for the CTR 9. And it's fully water cooled with changeable caps. So when you change OEM make, you can easily just change the caps. It's a bit shorter and it's lighter. We also thought about ergonomics of it. For example, you can use and hold the handle. And another thing we thought about is also the balance. It's very well balanced. And it's for all structural repairs that we do, you can do. And it's also fully automatic. Previous AV tongues we had was not fully automatic. This new AV tongue is fully automatic, as all other yokes we have. This is going to be a great product for you. Thank you for joining our show. So if you want more information, check out our website on the AV tongue and the CTR 9. Bye.